my order came in early, and they asked me to do a unboxing. So I'm more than happy to open up and share what all goodies I got. Oh wow, it came with more than one mold. Cool. I thought I was only getting one. So I got some molds. I thought I was only getting one mold. That's great to know. Let's see the mold. And they've got a huge sale on right now. This is from Glitter and Crafts for You. And I mean a huge sale on. So go check them out. This is not sponsored, by the way. But I just recently found them. And this is my first time checking them out. And I went and saw their products from a friend of mine. And I was blown away by some of the glitters and the chameleons and stuff. So I had to go check out their website, and I was like, oh, wow. So yeah, I'm having fun checking out their stuff. Yeah, give me a second. I'm trying to read my page over here. Figure out where the... Really do need regular glasses, reading glasses. There we go. Scallop rectangle gift tag, $2.50 for the molds. Woohoo! Oh my! And pretty gold wrapping paper. You know, I've got others. I keep them because you never know what you're going to use them for. Look at these. Yep, good. I did bring my scissors over here. So I got these so I can make my own gift tags and stuff, or ornaments. You can do some ornaments out of them as well. Birthday, Christmas, any holiday, any occasion. Get a corner down so I'm not accidentally getting into... So they're like double bagged. That's really nice. Oh, wow. Green monster. And this is a chameleon glitter. So it has a blue-green shift. I think there's some more colors to it too. I can't remember all the colors. But this one's a chameleon shift. I bought big amounts, small amounts. Looks like I got some free ones too. Look at that, red flames. Those are pretty. And rose gold too. Ooh, I like that. That is pretty. Look at those colors. Hollow aqua teal. Some of these are just, you know, holographic. Some of them are the chameleons. Like this one's a chameleon. If I can get the color shift to go proper. Sometimes it's not wanting to go in my lighting. Getting a few shades here and there. Get it to wrinkle up some maybe. There's a few greens in there. It's a goldy green with a bit of orangey brown to it. This one's called Psychedelic Sunflower. And if I forgot to say, Hollow Aqua Teal, the Green Monster, and I did say those two. This one's Kailani Lagoon, and I do believe this one's supposed to be a holographic. It's just a looks like it was a blue shift between a couple of blue colors. Yeah, like a light green in there and some blues. Their pictures on their website do it much more justice, and what I can see in person do way better than what my camera's picking up. And this is Heliotrope. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Pinks and purples in here. Gorgeous colors. Laser purple. Holographic sapphire. How about those pretty colors? Do I need to bring it up a little better? I'll do that right quick. I know I'm backtracking a little. On some of those. And we have burgundy. Isn't that a gorgeous color? And this one's Blackberry Hibiscus. Okay, put these guys back into here. And check out what's coming up next. Get these. I think these were the only 3 glitters that were the chameleon glitters that I picked. Set it to the side here for a second so I have a little room. And set this just over out of the, hopefully it won't knock anything back. $24 karat gold. Not sure if it's showing the hollow on there, but it is gorgeous. It looks so much better in person than what I'm seeing on my camera to the side. And then this one is called Bumble Yellow. Talk about a pretty yellow. Set these ones in here, back into here. And I got another mold. Let's see if I can get this straight so you can see it. It's a snake mold. It's a cobra. Head goes down in there pretty good. Has lots and lots of details on there. So I'll be doing that really soon. Let's see. Tape off my finger. 1 second, trying to get fingers to work here. We have Bourbon Street Super Chameleon. Look at that color. Ooh. Let's see if can I get any color shift to change in here, or it's not going to want to show up in there. Just flat surfaces, but they're gorgeous. And this one's the Anaconda. Beautiful, beautiful green. All right, come on. Multi-tones of green. And we have some No FOMO. Chameleon powder. Come on, zoom in. Blues for Baby and Me. Sylvia's Dreams. And trust me, I will be showing these very soon in projects. And this one is Chrome. So it'll come out like a mirror. And it's not like the same as the silver mica powder. This is an actual chrome powder. And this one is Purple People Eater. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so very much. I'm excited to use these and try all these out. Absolutely beautiful, stunning colors. Like I said, this is my first time ordering from y'all. Stunning, stunning colors. Let's see if I can get... Whoops. Sorry. I dropped things. See if I can get a little better grip here. So be on the lookout. I will definitely be, posting what I use in the comments on my videos, as always. I'll probably be using the snake one soon with some of the chameleons in here, like the anaconda, because I love that green color. And possibly even the green monster. Yep, those two will probably definitely get used, like, in the next video I do. Which might be in just a few minutes. But that might take me a little longer to get out, because anybody that knows me, I'll work a little on the slower side. But this one's coming out shortly. I'm getting it posted because I'm going to be sharing it for them. There shouldn't be any editing needed, so this is getting right out. Thank you again. I greatly appreciate it. This is some gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. And they're right out of Florida, so they're just down the road from me. I'm in Georgia, so not too far. Beautiful stuff. I'm definitely excited to check it out and use it. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I hadn't heard of them before, so I'm excited to be using the products. And I know sometimes I repeat myself. Anybody, if you're not familiar with my channel, I have some memory issues, so sometimes I do repeat myself. So for anybody that's new, it's common. For my original people, y'all know. But for anybody that's new, I do tend to repeat myself occasionally because I forget what I've said before. I'll let y'all go. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody, for all my subscribers that are been with me. For anybody that's new, thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate all this stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous. And thank you again. Bye.